Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So a few days ago, like 2 days ago, I was looking for a list of Lightroom alternative software. As you know, I use Lightroom for photo editing, but because of the subscription fee, I decided to switch to Affinity Photo. But I think Affinity Photo is more like Photoshop. Yeah, I know it's a photo editing software as well, but I want something that can organize a large number of photos like Lightroom. There are many options to consider, like raw therapy, dark table, aftershot, and many more. So after some talk, I decided to try Capture One Express. It's a free software, and I found it pretty easy to use. Even for beginners that just started photography and don't know anything about editing, you can still get a great photo using this software. So today I will show you a quick look at the user interface of Capture One Express. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the official website of Capture One. There are two products, Capture One Pro and the free version, Capture One Express. You can go to the feature list to see the difference between Capture One Pro and Capture One Express. I will put the link in the description so you can check it out. Okay, there are four versions of Capture One Pro, which is Capture One Pro for all camera and Capture One Pro for Fujifilm, Sony, and Nikon. And for Capture One Express, there's no Capture One Express for all camera, just Fujifilm, Sony, and Nikon. If you scroll down to the very bottom of the website, you will see the product list. Okay, and if you want to check the Capture One Pro price, just go to products and plans. Okay, and for Capture One Express, just click on this. Sorry for the slow internet connection. When you scroll down, there's only Fujifilm and Sony option. So where to find Nikon version? Okay, just click one of these learn more button. Okay, so this is the link to download Fujifilm version and this is the link to download Sony version. Just open one of these and then Capture One Express. Click this Capture One Express for Fujifilm. Okay, right here change the Fujifilm to Nikon. Okay, so this is Capture One Express for Nikon. I don't know why the Nikon version not in the list. Okay, and then click download button, but you first need to create an account and then fill this. After that, you will get the license key and you can download the software. After you have installed the software and enter the license key, open up Capture One Express. Okay, so I'm using Nikon camera, so I downloaded this Capture One Express for Nikon. So you can check out the deals in the resource hub, and you can also go to support, webinars, tutorials, and what's new for the newest version. You can check it out here. Okay, so this is the user interface of Capture One Express. At the bottom you can see the browsers tab. This is browser tabs, so you can select your photo from here. Okay, so this is the viewer, and on the right side there's a tool tabs, and then this is cursor tools, and on the top menu bar. Okay, this is for import and export. So right here is the library tabs. You can organize your photo here. If you want to import photo, just click this import button and then choose the source of your photo. Okay, just click the photo that you want to import like this. If you want to add more than one photo, hold Control button and then click on the next photo like this. Or if you want to import all photo, just click this import all. I already imported the photo. Okay, right here. So I'm going to use this photo as an example. So on the right tab here, you have this quick tab. So this is basically just like Lightroom and others photo editing software. Okay, you can adjust the adjustments here. I won't explain all of these settings adjustments one by one because there's already a lot of videos about this. You can check it out. What I want to show you here is this. In this adjustments tab, there's a styles and presets, which is pretty useful for beginners. Okay, if you click this little arrow button here, okay, you can see the presets and styles. Just move your mouse cursor to the styles or presets like this to see the preview. If you want to play it, just one click on it to play like this. And then if you want to remove the styles or presets, just click on it again to remove it. You can apply more than one styles and preset to the same photo. Okay, and on the top is the list of styles and presets that you apply to the photo. Okay, so if you're a beginner and you don't know anything about what to do with this curve line or what to do with the exposure setting, okay, you don't have to worry about that because you can just use the preset that's already in the software. Okay, like this. If you don't know what to do with the curve line here, you can just use the preset like this preset. Midtones darker and the exposure as well. You can apply maybe this exposure. And if you want to make your photo or object sharper, okay, you can do it in details tab. Yeah, but if you don't know about what to do with the settings here, you can just use this sharpening preset like this. So it's so easy and useful for beginners. Okay, so I will edit this photo into using these styles and presets into a few different styles. Okay, just enjoy this video. Okay, so this is the first style that I created, this is the second, and this is the third. Okay, it's cool, right? So you can get as many results as you want. All you have to do is just combine the styles and presets. Okay, and I think these styles and presets is really useful, especially for beginners. If you don't know what to do with these settings, okay, you can just use these styles and preset, just combine it to create a great photo. And if you like this Capture One Express, you can also upgrade it to Capture One Pro for more great features. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy and learn something new from this video. Hit the like button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video.